No feedback row yet, so target medium is unknown. I can see the daily challenge input and a cookie banner blocking the bottom, so I will accept cookies, focus the search box, and make a strong opening guess. Inception is a common anchor title with broad metadata that should give useful type, year, rating, and overlap feedback. This batch completes one full guess cycle with the required final guess button click. Type card is red for Inception, and the guess medium is movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is saying because 2010 is green with a check. Rating is within 0.5, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than 8.8. Overlapping genres are action and adventure. Sci-fi is not on target. No actors overlap among Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, or Elliot Page, and no director overlap with Christopher Nolan. Constraints: the target is a TV series from 2010, rated slightly lower than 8.8, includes action and adventure, excludes sci-fi, and does not include those listed cast or director names. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is red, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback says the target is a 2010 TV series with ratings slightly lower than 8.8, has action and adventure overlap, excludes sci-fi, and has no overlap with Inception cast or director. I'm choosing Nikita because it is a 2010 action-adventure TV series and should sharply test the medium, year, and likely genre space. This batch selects a different title and ends with the required guess button click. Type card is red, so target median equals TV series. The current feedback only confirms a 2010 target with slightly lower rating than 8.8 plus action and adventure overlap and no sci-fi overlap, so I want to use a safer year-only browse to force a clean drop-down selection after prior failed text matches. This batch refocuses the search field, types only the year 2010, selects the top matching drop-down row visible under that filter, and clicks guess to ensure a new guess registers. The goal is to recover from the failed submission state with a valid second guess. Type card is red for Toy Story 3, and the guess median is movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is saying because 2010 is green with a check. Rating is within 0.5, and the up arrow means the target rating is higher than 8.3. Overlapping genres are adventure and animation. Comedy is not on target. No actors overlap among Tom Hanks, Tim Allen, and Joan Cusack, and no director overlap with Lee Unkrich. Constraints: the target is a TV series from 2010, rated between 8.4 and 8.7, includes adventure and animation, excludes comedy and sci-fi from prior feedback, and does not include the listed Inception or Toy Story 3 cast/directors. Avoid repeating Toy Story 3. Type card is red, so target medium equals TV series. Type card is red for Tangled, and the guess medium is movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is saying because 2010 is green with a check. Rating is farther, and the up arrow means the target rating is higher than 7.7. Overlapping genres are animation and adventure. Comedy is not on target. No actors overlap among Mandy Moore, Zachary Levi, and Donna Murphy, and no director overlap with Nathan Greeno or Byron Howard. Constraints: the target is a TV series from 2010, rated above 7.7, includes animation and adventure, excludes comedy and sci-fi from earlier feedback, and does not include the listed casts or directors from Inception, Toy Story 3, or Tangled. Avoid repeating Tangled. Type card is red, so target medium equals TV series. The visible latest row confirms a 2010 target with animation and adventure overlap, comedy absent, and rating higher than 7.7. Combining earlier rows also rules out sci-fi and points to a highly rated animated adventure TV series. I'm changing strategy by using a different query and keyboard selection to target Adventure Time, a 2010 animated adventure TV series with strong rating fit. This breaks the loop by using a new query and explicit selection flow before the required guess click. Type card is red for Trainspotting, and the guess medium is movie, so target medium equals TV. Year is farther, and the up arrow means the target is newer than 1996. Rating is within 0.5, and the up arrow means the target rating is higher than 8.1. Overlapping genres show drama and gray, so there's no genre overlap here. No actors overlap among Ewan McGregor, Ewan Bremer, and Johnny Lee Miller, and no director overlap with Danny Boyle. Constraints: the target is a TV series newer than 1996, rated slightly above 8.1, does not have drama, and still must satisfy earlier stronger clues of being exactly 2010 with adventure and animation overlap while excluding comedy and sci-fi. Avoid repeating Trainspotting. Type card is red, so target median equals TV series. The latest visible feedback still supports a 2010 TV target with rating above 8.1, while earlier rows narrowed it to animation and adventure overlap with comedy, drama, and sci-fi not matching. Adventure Time fits these constraints much better than the accidental Trainspotting movie and should produce more decisive overlap feedback for cast and creators. I'm selecting an exact title from the dropdown and then clicking the required guess button. Type card is green for Adventure Time, and the guess medium is TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is saying because 2010 is green with a check. Rating is within 0.5, and the down arrow means the target rating is lower than Adventure Time's 8.6. Overlapping genres are animation, action, and adventure, while no extra non-overlap genre is shown in this row. Actor overlap includes John DiMaggio, Jeremy Shada, and Tom Kenny are not highlighted, and no director overlap is visible for Bon He-han or Larry Licklider. Constraints: the target is a TV series from 2010, rated slightly below 8.6, has animation plus action plus adventure, includes John DiMaggio in the cast, and avoids the previously ruled out sci-fi, comedy, and drama cues. Avoid repeating Adventure Time. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest feedback shows the target is exactly 2010, rated slightly lower than 8.6 with animation, action, and adventure overlap, and John DiMaggio overlapping in cast. I'm testing Futurama because it strongly shares John DiMaggio and animation adventure action adjacent traits, which should reveal whether the answer is another DiMaggio-led animated series or help separate the cast and genre pattern. This batch uses a different title and ends with the required guess click. Type card is green for Futurama, and the guest medium is TV series, so target medium equals TV. Year is further with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 1999 and not within 2 years. Rating is same because 8.5 is green with a check. Overlapping genres are animation and adventure in green, comedy and sci-fi are not on target. Actor overlap includes John DiMaggio in green, while Billy West and Katie Sackhoff are not highlighted. No director overlap is visible for Peter Avanzino or Rich Moore. Constraints: the target is a TV series from exactly 2010, rated 8.5, includes animation and adventure, excludes comedy, sci-fi, and drama, and includes John DiMaggio but not the other shown Futurama actors or directors. Avoid repeating Futurama. Type card is green, so target medium equals TV series. The latest row shows exact rating 8.5, exact year 2010 from prior rows, animation and adventure overlap, comedy and sci-fi not on target, and John DiMaggio overlaps, so I should test a 2010 animated TV series with DiMaggio but less comedy-driven than Futurama. Regular show fits the year and rating but likely fails on John DiMaggio, making it a useful discriminator against other 2010 animated adventure series. I'm clicking into the visible game input, selecting a different title from the dropdown, and finishing with the required guess click. Nice, the answer was regular show and I got it in 7 guesses. The key clues were locking in that it was a TV series from 2010 with an 8.5 rating, then narrowing it with the animation, action, and adventure genre match plus the John DiMaggio overlap.